In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Healthie. Healthie is a practice management platform built for wellness and healthcare professionals. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to get set up, manage your schedule, see clients virtually, and keep your operations organized from one place. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Healthie. Look for the official website in the results. A quick tip: double-check the address bar and branding to make sure you're on the correct site before you continue. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and proceed to sign up. If you're a practitioner, choose the provider option. You'll enter your basic details to create an account. Use a strong, unique password, and be ready to verify your contact information if prompted. If available, turn on two-factor authentication for added security. During the initial setup, confirm your practice name, time zone, and any key preferences so your account reflects your real-world schedule. After registration, head to your calendar settings. Set your availability, add buffer times between sessions, and create appointment types with clear durations. Enable client self-booking if you'd like to reduce back-and-forth messages, and share your booking link once you're ready. Sync the calendar with your existing email calendar to prevent double booking. If you plan to take payments, connect a payment processor within the platform and add your cancellation and no-show policies so clients know what to expect. Next, build your clinical workflow. Customize charting templates to match your style of documentation and create intake forms for new clients so you can collect health histories and consent documents in advance. You can tailor fields to meet your specialty. Healthie also includes an AI scribe that can draft your notes during or after sessions. Always review and edit AI-generated content to ensure accuracy and compliance before saving. When it's time to meet, you can host one-on-one or group virtual sessions directly in Healthie. Test your camera and microphone ahead of time and consider using waiting rooms to manage early arrivals. During sessions, use chat and screen sharing as needed. Automated reminders can reduce no-shows and keep clients engaged. To stay organized, explore reporting and analytics to track revenue, appointments, and engagement. Set up workflow automations to send forms, messages, or tasks based on triggers like a new booking. If you handle insurance, use the billing tools to create claims, track statuses, and reconcile payments. Finally, expand your offerings by creating wellness programs or educational courses. Upload videos, PDFs, or handouts, schedule content to release over time, and set pricing or enrollment options. This is a great way to scale your impact and serve clients between sessions. That's it. Follow these steps, and you'll be ready to run your practice smoothly with Healthie.